In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Stripe API key. Getting this key is essential for integrating Stripe's payment capabilities into your application or website, allowing you to manage payments efficiently and securely. So, let's dive in and simplify this process for you. First things first, you'll need to log into your Stripe account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll want to pause here and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Stripe. This dashboard is the hub of all your Stripe activities and provides insights into your transactions, balances, and more. But right now, we're here for the API key, so let's focus on that. From the main dashboard, you'll want to look toward the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll see a list of options that include things like Home, Payments, and Customers. What you're looking for is the Developers section. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking on Developers will open a new set of options aimed at facilitating the development side of Stripe, where you'll be able to manage your webhooks, logs, and indeed, your API keys. Now, once you're in the Developers section, take a moment to look over the new options that have unfolded before you. Among these options, you'll see one labeled API Keys. This is where the magic happens, so go ahead and click on API Keys. Here, you'll find the keys you need to make API requests. Essentially, API keys are the sets of codes that Stripe uses to authenticate you as a user, something akin to a password, so it's crucial to keep them secure. In this section, you'll usually see two types of API keys presented. One for testing, commonly known as the test key, and one for the live environment, known as the live key. The test key is what you'll use while you're still developing and testing your setup to ensure everything runs smoothly before going live. The live key, conversely, is what should be used once you're ready to take real transactions. A quick tip here. For your test key, don't hesitate to test different functions and transactions extensively. This sandbox environment is safe to experiment in, and no real charges are incurred. For security reasons, make sure not to expose your live key in your client-side code or anywhere publicly accessible to prevent unauthorized transactions. And that's really all there is to it. You've now successfully located your Stripe API key, which will open up a world of functionality for your online payment processing needs. Remember to always handle these keys with care, storing them securely, and only sharing them with trusted systems. By following these steps, you ensure a solid foundation for integrating Stripe into your project. Thank you for tuning in, and happy coding!